In this video, I'll show you how to fork a GitHub repository. Forking a repository means creating your own copy of someone else's GitHub project under your account. This is useful when you want to experiment with code, make changes, submit improvements, or use a project as a starting point without changing the original repository. First, open GitHub in your browser and sign in to your account. Then go to the repository you want to fork. On the repository page, look near the top right corner and click the Fork button. GitHub will open a page where you can set up your fork. Next, choose where the fork should be created. Usually, this will be your personal GitHub account, but if you are part of an organization, you may also be able to fork it there. After that, review the repository name. You can keep the original name or change it if you want your copy to have a different name. You may also add a short description so you remember what the fork is for. Now click Create Fork. GitHub will create a copy of the repository under your account. Once it is ready, you will be taken to your forked version of the project. From here, you can edit files, create branches, clone the fork to your computer, and make changes safely. These changes will only affect your copy, not the original repository. If you want to suggest your changes to the original project, you can open a pull request. A pull request lets the original repository owner review your changes and decide whether to merge them. You can also keep your fork updated by syncing it with the original repository when new changes are added. Forking is one of the most common ways to contribute to open source projects and practice working with real code. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.